sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to another tutorial with me, Lee of Wine Down with Lee. Trust me when I say I appreciate you all for viewing my videos, each and every one of them. Don't forget to go back and look at some of the other eye makeup looks that I've done recently, especially with Valentine's Day coming up. You know, you might want to get into a vibe. However, today I'm doing a blue and yellow look. I'm going non-traditional because I still think you can wear this look for Valentine's Day. It's just a matter of your color choices. You know, I mean, everybody's favorite color is not pink, purple, red. Okay, so we're not going to just stick to the norm of or the basics of what Valentine's Day should be. We're going to step out the box a little bit. Okay, so if you want to see how I did this cut crease, keep watching. All right, and don't forget to hit that subscribe. All right. Ooh. Sorry, y'all know it's football, okay? Football gonna distract me every time. But I'm starting off with my MAC 217 brush and also this MAC eyeshadow. It's called In the Shadows. And I'm gonna use that as my starting blue. And you already know, if you watch any of my tutorials, we place it here, right in that crease area. And we started there, just packing it on, and then we're gonna build it up. I always say that. Pack it on and I'm going to build it up. To blend it out. Let me put my mirror down some so I can see. And I do this and I lose some color payoff, but basically you see I'm just trying to push the shadow forward, but softly. Then I'm going in with Noche Eterna. This is from this Melted palette. And that's the dark blue that's in the palette that I'm using. And I'll be putting that right on top of the MAC blue in that same, excuse me, in that same area. Ooh. Okay, camera. Focus on me. Focus on me. Anywho, we put that color right here in this crease area because I don't know if my camera was out of focus or not. Show you what I'm doing, and we'll do the same thing. Take that Sigma brush, and we're going to blend it forward. Soften the edges, basically. And I'm just going to keep doing this until I get the color payoff that I want, matching the same on the other eye. All right, I'll come back once it's fully blended. I love the way you speak. I love the way you think. Hey, baby. All right, baby. We are all blended. Y'all know I'm goofy. All right, next. Get your hands all dirty. No, I'm just kidding. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut the crease, basically, because that's what this is, a clear cut crease look. All right, and if you have ever watched me cut my crease before, then you already know typically what we're going to do is use our P. Louise baits. To start off with, I'm using my MAC 217 flat brush, a little flat head brush, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. I'm going to take my time today because I really want to get it like perfect in a different shape kind of, but yeah, just watch. I think they look symmetrical. What do you think? I think they look the same. Yeah, they look good. All All right, now that the key, now the key is crust. No, now that the crease is cut. Lord, can I get that out? Now that the crease is cut, I'm going back in with my blue from the MAC, and I'm gonna place it right on top of the edge of my cut crease. Now I'm going back in with the Nocturnal from the Melted palette, the darker shade of blue. Then I'm taking a bit of blue from this other palette that I have, which is the Carnival palette from Posh Culture. And I'm taking this blue from here also. And I'm going to blend that into, just to give me a trifecta. I like the way this blue shows up. All right. Making sure the gradient is gradient. The blue is bluing, and it is. Okay, now that we have the blue kind of where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and put the yellow from this palette. But this yellow, this yellow has a shimmer in it. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's so pretty. So I figured since I'm doing a glitter eye, why not go ahead and do some shimmer under the bottom of the glitter eye. Say this color is so pretty. It's like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it is gorgeous. Kind of looks like a gold, but it is a yellow pigment that actually shows up on me. Now I'm going to take a basic yellow out of this palette, like this pony line, and I'm going to blend it on top of the blue. Of course, you know, when yellow blue, you're going to get some green. I'm not trying to make it a complete green, so I'm kind of tapping it in motion, if that makes sense. Just tapping it on because I don't want to blend it to make a full green, even though I know I'll get some green. That, and then I'll go back with the blue as well, just to get it to mix, to have that cool little gradient. So you probably can see I did get a little green, but that's not what we're going for. So I'm covered up some when I put the glitter on. So we'll get to the glitter part here next. I'm using some Amazon glitter that I got. I'm also using my NYX glitter. And then I'm also going in with the J. La Rue White Gold because I wanted it to have like a gradient of yellow. You know, just going from light to glitter. Alright, so I typically just put my glitter on with a Morphe brush. It is the angled brush. That way it gives me like precision when I'm putting this glitter on, so I'm not all over the place. Alright, put that on there like that. Then I'm taking my Morphe E35 brush, just a little small brush, so that I can get where I want to get. First, I'm going in with the J. La Rue right here in the corner. Then I'm going in with the NYX. Start out right above the Great J. LaRue. Come on. NYX, act right. And I'm tapping both. I'm going into both of them. My yellow glitter and the NYX glitter. Because under the yellow, I want it to sparkle more. So I'm mixing them. Wow. Don't fall off, okay, stuff? Don't fall off. And that's what we have, y'all. Can y'all see it? I think it's so pretty. Onto the wing liner. All right, the eyeliner that I'm using is the NYX Pro Pencil. It's like the felt tip pencil. I like using this one because it seems like it's like I'm just writing with a pencil or a pen. I don't really like the gel ones, like the line and poke it in, and that didn't look too good. But you know what I'm talking about, right? I don't really like that one, so we're going in with this one. All right, that's that. Eyeliner done. Now I'm gonna go in with the white liner. I'm gonna use some different tools for that one. All right. Okay, so to do the white line, I am still using the NYX Epic pen, but I'm not gonna actually use, like I told you, I don't really like this. This is what I was talking about, right? I don't really like the way this is, and I think it's gonna be really too thick because I tried it with my silver. So I'm going in with this. I don't even know if you can see that on the camera, but it is a very fine line. This is my drawing tool, so I'll use that. Now, Lord, y'all be with me. Lord, be with me on this eye because it's a struggle. And my eye wants to itch, really. Of course, right now it itches. If you don't have nimble hands, this is a struggle, okay? And I don't think I have the most nimble hands, but hey, we gonna get her done. And I will also go back in with the black. Woo child. Got her done. All right. Next, we're going to go ahead and throw on some lashes. Okay, that white is so disrespectful. I mean, it shows that you are not nimble, okay? You're not ready for this. But I'm going back in with the black to try to help my white line out because it's a struggle, okay, sis? It's a struggle. She did it. Okay, and just like that, the lashes are done. So far, what do you think? Are you with me? Did you try it? Are you feeling this look? Do you think you would wear it for Valentine's Day? If so, leave me a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you stayed around this far. Now, I'm not going to do the full face makeup on camera, so I'll come back and I'll show you my final look. And you share with me your final thoughts, all right? All right. This is how I'm coming. Like, look at me. Look here. This is so cute. It's adorable. It's probably a bit much for some people because I know the blue hair is not everyone's zhuzh. However, I think it is still a fun look. Even if you just want to play in some makeup, try something different, see what you look like with blue hair. You can pull it off. You might can pull it off. You never know until you try. You never know what you can do until you try. But yeah. So this is the final look. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Sorry, my house is a little noisy because my husband is working in the other room on some floor. I had to kind of like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna put the other part in because it got a little noisy and everybody started walking in. But what I was saying was, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And be sure to check out some of my other videos as well because they're probably a little more mute, not so vibrant. But hey, I want to try something different. So, alright y'all. See y'all in the next video.
Like